Welcome. In front of me is a fake Samsung phone, and today I will show you how to put the device into boot mode. So to get started, let's power it off by holding the power key. Once it turns off, you then want to hold power key and the volume up at the same time, so both of the keys. And there we go, we are now in the boot mode. Now, in here you will need to use volume up to navigate through the menu, as you can see, and volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here we can reboot to recovery mode, fast boot mode, or go back to the Android, which is what I will select right now. Here we go, and this will take me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.